Hi guys, we're doing blending with me again today. We're going to do a review blending lesson with vowel digraphs of OO, OU, and EW. So let's start with the first line. We have B, ate, bait, B, oot, boot, N, O, no, N, you, new, S, ope, soap, soup, soup, room, room, broom, cool, pool, grew, chew, tooth, zoo, in, spin, spoon, ape, grape, group, stay, stew, screw, screw, eagle, igloo, oat, sailboat, dark, yellow, ook, cook, book, third, fern, road, seashore, smooth, smoother, new, newly, group, regroup. Let's read the sentences together. We cannot see the moon at noon. One more time. We cannot see the moon at noon. You can be in my crew. You can be in my crew. Awesome. So now you get to practice it all by yourself. Again, you can mute my voice and then practice on your own. Practice by yourself, practice with a partner, practice. Have fun practicing. Okay, thank you.